At first, it seems like a regular top. You give it a spin, and it spins. Then time passes. Minutes become more minutes. Someone comes in to ask a question. He notices that it's already been 2 minutes, and this top on your table hasn't stopped spinning. You tell him, that's limbo, and it's actually been 15. He calls a friend over. They wait. More people gather. You show them a trick it can do. You show them a few. Someone points to the design. You tell them it's made from high-grade metals. You show them a video of how it was made. A delivery guy says that it looks like that top from that movie. Everyone agrees. A few people finally ask how it works. Maybe you tell them, maybe you don't. Maybe a friend who already knows tells them that there's a battery-operated gyro inside and that the entire thing is rechargeable. A girl who knows her tech says, wow, that's pretty impressive. A few of them nod. Everyone continues to stare. You go out to a meeting, you come back, you type that spreadsheet you were working on all afternoon. People come in and out. Limbo keeps spinning. You go home. Only after 4 hours have passed, Limbo rests. Tomorrow, it will all start again.